free transfers from their bank accounts to mobile money wallets. The Central Bank of Kenya, CBK, has announced the reinstatement of charges on transfers of money between a bank account and mobile money platforms in what will come as a relief for banks that have long decried the CBK's reluctance to reinstate the fees. The Central Bank of Kenya, together with the Jubilee administration, waived the charges at the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic and at 2020 as a move to cushion Kenyans from the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. In a notice published Tuesday evening, the Central Bank of Kenya has indicated that the reinstated charges will come effect on January 1st, 2023. However, it will not be all bad news, as the regulator also announced that the charges by the banks will be revised downwards. In the notice, the CBK indicated that the maximum charges for the transfers between bank accounts to mobile money wallets have been revised by an average 61%, with mobile money to bank account charges also reducing by an average of 47%. With the recent democratization of pay bill business in the country still taking momentum in the economy, the Central Bank of Kenya has announced that the charges attracted by the pay bills will be revised downwards by an average of 50%. This review has been seen as one that will hurt the migration of the economy to digital transactions, with the CBK announcing that since 2020 March, an additional 6.2 million Kenyans started using mobile money in the country. In the same period, CBK notes that the monthly volume and value of peer-to-peer transactions surged from 162 million transactions worth 234 billion to 440 million transactions worth 399 billion shillings, representing 171% and 71% increases respectively. Further, the monthly volume and value of transactions between payment service providers and banks increased from 18 million transactions worth 157 billion shillings to over 113 million transactions worth 800 billion shillings respectively, marking a five-fold and four-fold increases. Despite the profits that the banking industry has been making in the recent past, commercial banks have been breathing heavily on the neck of the central bank to bring back the charges, citing heavy investment in a digital technology to keep pace with the growing transactions. For Look at Business, Simba, Elijah Charles Kiage.